In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile on Evernote. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently update your profile details and make your account feel a bit more personal and professional. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in the main Evernote interface, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you should see your current profile name or your initials, usually next to your account type or a small avatar. Move your mouse over that area and click on your profile name. This is your main entry point into your account settings. When you click your profile name, a small menu or panel will appear. Take a moment to look at the options here. You're looking specifically for the one labeled Account Info, or something very similar. Go ahead and click on Account Info. This will open a new page or tab that takes you out of the note editor and into your Evernote account settings. Once the account settings page loads, you'll see several sections related to your account, such as security, subscriptions, and other preferences. Among these options, look for the section labeled Profile. It may appear as a tab at the top of the page or as a link in a side menu, depending on any layout changes Evernote might have made. Click on Profile to open your profile settings. Inside the profile section, you'll be able to view and edit details like your display name, profile photo, and possibly some basic personal information that Evernote uses across its apps. Take your time here to update your name to how you want it to appear, and if there's an option to upload or change your profile picture, choose a clear, recognizable image. This can make it easier to identify your account, especially if you use Evernote in a team or shared environment. After you've made your changes, make sure you scroll down and look for a Save or Update button. Click that to confirm your new profile settings. It's always a good idea to refresh your Evernote tab or go back to the main interface to double check that your new name or picture is showing correctly in the bottom left corner. And that's all you need to do to change your profile on Evernote.